How to run an open house that actually creates clients in a slower market. In a slower market, a lot of agents ask the same question. Are open houses even worth it anymore? The short answer is yes, but only if you stop running them the old way. A few years ago, open houses were simple. Put up signs, unlock a door, wait for some traffic, and then hope someone just falls in love with the house. That worked when buyers were moving fast and inventory was tight. But in today's market, buyers are cautious, they're selective, and they take their time. Fewer people are casually walking through open houses just for fun. Most of them are gathering information, they're testing the market, or quietly looking for an agent that they can trust. That means an open house is no longer about selling the home that day. It's about creating conversations and positioning yourself as the obvious next step. If you're hosting open houses the same way you did a few years ago, well, then you're probably missing the real opportunity. So if you want your open houses to actually turn into future clients, here are a few things to keep in mind. Number one, shift the goal from selling the house to serving the visitor. In a slower market, most people who walk into an open house are not ready to write an offer that weekend. Some are early buyers, some are neighbors, some are watching prices, some already have an agent but are not fully confident just yet. If your only focus is pushing the property, people feel it and they shut down. Instead, your goal should be ask better questions, understand where they are in the process, and offer some insight that they cannot get online. When visitors feel helped instead of handled, conversations last longer and trust forms naturally. Number two, use the open house to demonstrate expertise, not salesmanship. Today's buyers are researching everything. They already know the basics before they walk in. What they want is context. That means your open house should quietly showcase how you think, not how hard you sell. You can do this by explaining why the home is priced the way it is, pointing out what buyers are comparing this home to. You can also share what you're seeing with days on market and buyer behavior locally, and answer questions about what is actually negotiable right now. In a slower market, confidence comes from clarity. When you provide that, people remember you. And number three, create a clear, natural next step after the open house. One of the biggest mistakes agents make is letting a good conversation end at the front door. If someone enjoyed talking with you but leaves without a next step, then that momentum is gone. A strong open house always leads somewhere. That might be a short follow-up conversation about their timeline, an invite to a local market update, or a quick strategy chat about buying or selling in today's conditions. The key is that the next step feels helpful and not pushy. When the open house experience is valuable, people are far more open to continuing the conversation. If you're hosting open houses and not seeing any real long-term results, I would be happy to talk through what you might be missing. We can look at how you're setting them up, how conversations are flowing, and what kind of follow-up actually makes sense in today's market. Feel free to call, message, or just click the link below to schedule a one-on-one strategy conversation. I'm always happy to help. And if this was helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe. I share practical, real-world strategies for agents navigating today's market every week.